Okay, let's try this out. I got like a bit of a rig here, but I wanted to set it up so you can see the paper okay. I'm going to start off with a simpler question, the one that you sent to me, because to teach the concept, we'll go with something simpler, and then we'll see how it works on a bigger, harder question. So if we're multiplying something, what we've done a lot of so far, and what looks like you've got a good handle on, is questions like this. But where we're multiplying something by one digit. But what we're going to do today is multiply something by a two-digit number. But the cool thing about this, doing a two-digit number, the way you do it is you just ignore that second digit at first and treat it like it's a one-digit number, like you know how to do. So the first step you actually do know how to do. So if you have your multiplication chart handy, you'll know that 3 times 2 is 6. Boop. 3 times 1 is 3. Boop. And then 3 times 7 is 21. Boop, boop. So if the question was what 712 times 3 is, we would have our answer. Boom, done. But that is not the question. We are asked what 23 times 712 is. So what we need to do next, this is the next quick step. We're going to start dealing with these numbers now, the 2. But before we do, we're going to write a 0 with a little line through it here. For an explanation of why we do that, we'll just, let me skip that for now. But just trust me that there's a 0 here first. So once we put the 0 here first, then we treat it like it's just like we did before. We're going to go 2 times 2. We know that's 4. Then 2 times 1. We know that's 2. And then 2 times 7, which is 14. So now we've got two numbers. I have the answer for what 712 times 3 is. And then I've got the answer for what 712 times 20 is. So together, I add this and that together to get the answer of what 712 times 23 is. So 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 4 is 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then the 1 is 0 plus 1, so we just put the 1 down there. So there we have our answer. 712 times 23 is 16,376.